what's going on? I'm here to do another video of an MCM item that I just recently picked up. I got this item from bloomingdales.com. So let me show you guys what I got real fast. And I just got it yesterday, and they just sent me a, what is this, a 15% off coupon. But here's how it came. Brand new. And I had been looking at this little thing for a while, and I was gonna order it a while back, but it was only available for pre-order, and I was just like, well, I'll just wait until I can just go ahead and order and they go ahead and ship it to me. So I finally was able to get it, and I open this for you guys. And I think this is so cute. And I wasn't going to order any more MCM items, but I had like $150. Well, I had a $50 gift card, and then I had like $100 in the loyalty points, and they was going to expire this month. So I had to go ahead and use that. So I was like, I'll just use it towards this because I don't need any more bags. So I just bought this. So it came in the little cute little MCM box. I love their little dust bags. They be so cute. So here it is. There it go. And this is the Mcm Patricia Visetos zip card case in the color cognac, as always. Y'all, I love the cognac color. This also comes in the color black and powdered pink. And it retails for $260, but I only paid $130 for mine because I had the little gift cards and stuff. So here is the front of the little card case, and it has this little snap right here with an opening there, which is kind of, it's not that tight, I guess. And then you have like another little opening here that you probably could put some money or some cards in. And then here's the side view. And then here is the back. I think the back is so cute. So there is that. And you have a little opening here. And then you have a card slot for there, there, and there. And then we will open this. And there's the inside. Have your little cord. And there. The inside is pretty, actually pretty roomy, and I like the fact that the zipper goes all the way down right here. And y'all, I might get it in the pink later on, but I'm not in a rush to get it right now. But y'all know my favorite is the cognac. And then we'll take this off. I don't guess I realized that it had this little part right here on there. Yeah, I didn't even pay attention to that. So it does have this that you can attach, you know, your keys or something, or you maybe can put it on a belt loop, or, you know, something like that. That's if you want to or whatever. So y'all, this is the cutest little thing, and this will go perfect with my backpack because I'm actually carrying my baby backpack now. So super duper cute. So let me show you guys like some of the cards and stuff that'll fit in here. So we can put a card here, put your card there, put your card there, and I'm sure you can, let me double these up, because sometimes I like to double my stuff up, but you don't want to overstretch it either. So there's that. So I got 2 in each one of those. And like I said, you can also put, you know, a couple of things right there also. So I'll put a couple of cards right there also. And then right here, you can probably put you a card or 2 right there, and you still can't see it. So you can put an extra card right there. And then on this opening, you can put some cards in there also. Or you can put you put a couple of, you know, you put some money right there also. And then in the inside, I don't know who would walk around with this many cards, but you could put like cards in there, and you can put like some money in there, put some little coins or something in there also. And if you have like a little small hand sanitizer pack, you can put that hand sanitizer pack, you can put that in there also. And you probably can attach your keys here, or if you have just like a little small spare key like this one, you can stick that in there also if you don't want to hold it, attach it to there. And then it closes. So here it is. This is so cute. There is that. And it's not too big, not too bulky. It's just the right amount of space and size and everything. So I thought that was so cute. So I'm glad I got it. So like in my other, I don't have my backpack with me, but like my other backpack, instead of me having the 2 wallets that I have, well, the 2 little cases I have in there, this will be perfect just to have just that one, because it has, the reason why I have 2 is because one only holds cards, and then the other one I can put either cards and money in there or whatever. So this one right here, I can do cards, money, and everything in just one instead of having 2. So honestly, I think I'm gonna switch that out so that I can have just that one and I have more space in my bag. So I just wanted to show this to you guys. So here's a closer look, and there are a couple of videos on there. I have seen, I want to say like 2 or 3 videos already. So there, y'all know I had to do my own video, so here it is. So if you guys have any questions, like always, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.